Namaste and welcome to this yoga class focused on the Solar Plexus Chakra, also known as Manipura. This chakra, residing above the navel, is our powerhouse of personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. It's like our inner sun, radiating energy and strength. A balanced Solar Plexus Chakra opens doors to self-worth, personal boundaries, and an ignited inner fire. With this understanding, we're ready to embark on a yoga journey designed to awaken and balance this potent energy center. Before we dive into our practice, let's share some insights about this vital chakra. The Solar Plexus Chakra, known as Manipura in Sanskrit, resides in the area above the navel and is associated with personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. This energy center is often depicted as a bright yellow sun, reflecting its nature as the source of our inner fire and radiance. It's the core of our personality, identity, and ego, and it's where our self-confidence, autonomy, and initiative reside. It's like our own personal sun, illuminating our individuality and sense of self-worth. This chakra encourages us to assert ourselves, take risks, and make decisions with conviction. It's about more than just personal power, though. It's also about the transformation of that power into action. When the solar plexus chakra is balanced, we feel a deep sense of empowerment, self-assuredness, and the ability to achieve our goals. We are in control of our destiny and capable of overcoming any challenges that we may face. Now that we understand the significance of the solar plexus chakra, we embark on a yoga practice designed to awaken and balance this powerful energy center. Our journey starts from a place of comfort and readiness. So I invite you all to find your space on the mat, allowing yourself to settle in a seated position. Let's take a moment to connect with our breath, grounding ourselves in the present moment. Feel the energy within you, ready to be harnessed. Please find a comfortable seat on your mat as we commence our class. We'll start with a gentle sun salutation vinyasa sequence to warm up the body and ignite our inner fire. As you flow through each posture, consciously direct your breath and awareness to the area above your navel, the seat of the solar plexus chakra. Begin in mountain pose, drawing in a deep breath, feeling your feet grounded on the mat and your body reaching towards the sky. As you exhale, fold forward, releasing any tension in your body and mind. Inhale, coming into a half lift, creating a flat back, and exhale again, folding forward to touch the earth. Breathe in and step or lightly jump back into plank pose. As you exhale, lower your body into chaturanga, hovering just above the ground. Inhale to upward facing dog, opening your chest to the sky, and then exhale to downward facing dog, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Stay in downward dog for a few breaths, allowing the energy to flow through your body, warming up your muscles and preparing you for the next part of our sequence. On your next inhale, sweep your right foot forward, stepping into Warrior One. This powerful pose invites us to tap into our inner strength, reflecting the energy of the solar plexus chakra. Keep your gaze focused, your body strong, and your breath steady. After holding Warrior One for a few breaths, transition into Warrior Two. Feel the strength of your legs, the expansiveness of your arms, and the power that radiates from your core. This posture symbolizes our ability to face challenges with courage and determination, much like the fiery nature of the solar plexus chakra. Now, let's add some gentle twists to our sequence. From Warrior Two, move into extended side angle pose, reaching your right arm over your head and twisting your torso to the sky. This pose not only stretches and strengthens the body, but also stimulates the abdominal organs, enhancing the energy flow to the solar plexus chakra. Transition smoothly into revolve side angle pose, placing your left hand on the ground and reaching your right arm to the sky, adding a deeper twist to your torso. This posture encourages the release of stagnant energy in the solar plexus chakra, allowing for a renewed sense of personal power and self-confidence. Let's repeat the same sequence on the left side to maintain balance in our bodies and our chakras. Remember to breathe deeply and mindfully, keeping your focus on the solar plexus chakra. After completing the sequence on both sides, return to mountain pose. Notice the heat you've built in your body, the energy flowing freely, and the sense of inner strength and confidence that's starting to shine brighter. Finally, let's wind down with a gentle forward fold, letting our bodies relax and our minds reflect on the practice. As you fold, imagine any residual tension or self-doubt draining away from your body, leaving you feeling empowered and radiant. With each breath, feel your inner power expand. You have kindled the fire of your solar plexus chakra, awakening your personal power, self-esteem, and confidence. As we continue our practice, carry this energy with you, letting it guide and empower you in each posture. Remember, your inner sun is always there, ready to light your path and warm your spirit. Namaste. Close your eyes and visualize a vibrant golden sun glowing at your solar plexus chakra. This sun, an embodiment of energy, strength, and self-assuredness, illuminates your core with its radiant warmth. Feel the fiery energy of this inner sun pulsating with every breath you take. Now imagine this golden sun starting to spin slowly, creating a whirlpool of radiant energy. With every rotation, this energy expands, flowing into every cell of your body, filling you up with confidence, courage, and the belief in your own abilities. As you breathe in, visualize this energy getting stronger, more vibrant. And as you breathe out, imagine releasing any doubts, fears, or inhibitions that might be holding you back. Allow this energy to dissolve them, transforming them into fuel for this radiant sun. Feel the power of this energy, the energy of your solar plexus chakra. It is the energy of personal power, the energy of self-esteem, the energy of your true self. It is a force to be reckoned with, a force that propels you forward, encouraging you to stand tall, to speak your truth, to be your authentic self. With each breath, let this feeling of empowerment grow. Let it become a part of you. Let it shape your actions, your thoughts, your beliefs. Let it guide you towards your goals, towards your dreams, towards the life you want to lead. Remember, this energy, this power, is always within you. It is not something you need to seek outside of yourself. It is not something that can be taken away from you. It is your birthright, your essence, your true nature. As we come to the end of this meditation, let's take a few more moments to bask in this golden glow, to really feel this sense of empowerment seeping into every part of our being. Follow my guidance and embrace the sense of personal empowerment. This power is yours to wield. This light is yours to shine. Carry it with you, let it guide you, let it inspire you, let it be a constant reminder of your innate strength, your inherent worth, and your boundless potential. Namaste. To conclude our practice, ease into child's pose and fully surrender to the newfound confidence and personal power you've cultivated. As you fold your body forward, letting your forehead rest gently on the mat, feel the warmth of your inner sun, the energy of your solar plexus chakra, envelop you. Let the rhythm of your breath guide you deeper into relaxation, each exhale releasing any remaining tension. This is your moment of tranquility, a sacred pause to reflect on the journey you've taken today. Feel the power you've awakened within, the radiant energy emanating from your solar plexus. Acknowledge your strength, your resilience, your undeniable worth. As you linger in this restful pose, immerse yourself in the soothing symphony of your breath, the harmonious dance of your life force. Let the echoes of this practice reverberate within, carrying forth the lessons learned, the power harnessed, into all corners of your life. Fully surrender to the newfound confidence and personal power you've cultivated. As you rise from your practice, return to a seated position with your hands resting on your abdomen. Take a deep, calming breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of accomplishment wash over you. You've just completed a yoga practice centered around your solar plexus chakra, and that's no small feat. Consider the energy you've awakened, the power you've tapped into, and the confidence you've cultivated. As you sit here, allow yourself to absorb the effects of this practice, to truly appreciate the inner strength and personal growth you've nurtured. Our journey today was designed to kindle the fire within your solar plexus chakra, to help you harness your personal power and self-assuredness. Remember, yoga is not just about the physical postures, it's about the inward journey, the personal transformation. Thank you for joining this yoga class for the solar plexus chakra. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others seeking empowerment. Namaste.